Experiencing vibrations while driving can be both annoying and concerning. Vibrations can stem from a variety of issues, ranging from minor problems to serious mechanical faults. Identifying the cause of the vibrations is essential to ensure your vehicle's safety and performance. In this part 1 of our multi-episode troubleshooting video, we'll explore the common causes of car vibrations and provide guidance on how to diagnose and fix them. Possible causes. Unbalanced tires. Unbalanced tires are a frequent cause of vibrations, especially at higher speeds. When tires are not balanced, they can cause the vehicle to shake as they rotate unevenly. Tire wear. Uneven or excessive tire wear can also lead to vibrations. Worn tires may not provide a smooth ride, leading to a noticeable shaking. Tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure can cause vibrations. Overinflated or underinflated tires can affect the vehicle's stability and ride quality. Wheel and suspension problems. Misaligned wheels. Wheel alignment issues can cause vibrations. Misalignment can occur from hitting a curb, pothole, or general wear and tear, leading to uneven tire wear and vibrations. Worn suspension components. Suspension components, such as shocks, struts, and bushings, can wear out over time. When these parts are worn, they may not absorb road impacts properly, resulting in vibrations. Bent wheels or axles. Bent wheels or axles can cause significant vibrations. This damage can occur from accidents or hitting large potholes. Brake system issues. Warped brake rotors. Warped brake rotors can cause vibrations, especially when braking. This occurs when the rotors overheat and deform, leading to uneven braking surfaces. Sticking brake calipers. Sticking or seized brake calipers can also cause vibrations. When the caliper does not release properly, it can create uneven pressure on the brake rotor. Engine and transmission problems. Engine misfire. An engine misfire can cause the vehicle to vibrate, especially during acceleration. Misfires occur when one or more cylinders fail to ignite the fuel properly. Worn engine mounts. Engine mounts hold the engine in place and absorb vibrations. If the mounts are worn or broken, the engine can shake excessively, causing the entire vehicle to vibrate. Transmission issues. Problems with the transmission, such as worn gears or a failing torque converter, can cause vibrations. These issues are often accompanied by other symptoms, such as difficulty shifting gears or unusual noises. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please join us for part 2, where we work with you to diagnose your car's vibrations. Remember, car vibrations can be caused by various issues, ranging from minor tire imbalances to serious mechanical problems. By understanding the potential causes and following a systematic diagnostic approach, you can identify and address the issue, ensuring a smoother and safer driving experience. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to unusual vibrations can save you time, money, and ensure your car remains in optimal condition. Whether it's balancing your tires, aligning your wheels, or fixing engine and transmission issues, taking care of your vehicle's health is crucial for a smooth ride. RiceTire is the one place to go for your tire or wheel needs, automobile maintenance, and repairs in the Mid-Atlantic region. With over a dozen locations throughout Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, and now Pennsylvania, we are in or near your neighborhood, making us your best local tire shop. Give us a call. We are happy to schedule an appointment to check your vehicle and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible.